G'day, we're back. Just giving it a final tidy up here today. Going to take it down. 3 inches is about to go for this property. 2.5 inches is a bit low. Getting into the meat of it a bit too much, so we're going to be going through, taking all this back down. This longer stuff you can see here. Got my mate Max up there, working away down along that fence line. Doing a great job with the brush cutter and getting on top of that, just to keep the visibility up for the snakes when they're happening. This is the main concern at this property. So that hill will be another challenge we're going to do. All around this edge, we're going to come back along today, pretty all this up with the brush cutter and whip snipper. We've got some work to do around the house as well, so I'll try and get some footage where I can today. The isotunes are charged up, so I'm good to go. Really enjoying it out here today. It's nice and crisp this morning, just starting to warm up now, so I'll talk to you all very soon. We'll get some footage, hopefully with some more grass over in another paddock we're going to do, and all as well. Got some topsoil getting delivered out at my place today, ready to get that sorted. I'll get some footage of that tomorrow as well. Going to get the wife to give us a hand as well. God love her. She's going to have a go at the mulching fork and get a taste of what we do day in, day out. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Taking this down to 4 inches. We're going to go to 3.5 again, see how that goes. I've done a walkthrough of the area, seeing what I can see. That's one thing you've got to do when you're doing overgrown acreages, especially. Big logs, big sticks. Even with the walkthrough, like, you're going to miss some, so take it easy, get some visibility over your work that you're going to be attacking, and really make sure you're not going to be hitting anything. There's metal, there's timber, there's rocks, there's all these things that could be in there. You need to make sure you're going to look after your equipment just the same as you're going to look after the client's yard. So all that to consider. The stand-on unit will be perfect for this acreage when I do get it. It's all just money at the moment, so weighing up options with what we've got to get and what we actually need. Yeah, we'll go from there. Sorry, got off here. Actually on it. All good. Watch all this. I'm going to go 3.5. We'll see the difference. Hopefully you can pick it up on camera. I'll just have a quick squiz. Yeah, and I'll run through down this way. You'll be able to see it. Right now I'll stay at 4 inches. I'll come back, do the 3.5, and you'll be able to see just what I mean. 4 inches is good. Just to take it off without actually clogging up your deck. But if you have got time, try and get it to the 3.5, so the next visit take it down to the 3, and that way you're not dealing with it's still pretty moist, like a lot of moisture in the grass itself from the rain we had last week, as well as it's just an acreage, a lot cooler out here compared to suburbia. So cheers guys. Alrighty, just going to leave it there. You don't need to see me do that whole paddock, but I'll just give you a quick view of what I'm up against here. Let's see if this gloves will work on the. There we go. That goes right down to that tree line, across. Never looks as impressive on camera, but hey, let's take my word for it, right? So all through here we're going to be brush cutting as well. Just waiting for Max down the back there, and he's got down along and then down to the front of the driveway. We've got this little section in here, all of that to be brush cut, and then in behind the cubby house, and obviously the big paddock. And I think that'll be about our day. Got a little bit here to do, just up along here. That's it. That's our Friday. I'll keep you posted for tomorrow. The beautiful wife helping me. Might get the young bloke on his little wheelbarrow and shovel as well. I'll have some fun. Be a fun day, and bit of different footage to get rather than just the same old work. Similar stuff, but a bit more family time, so looking forward to it. I'll talk to you all tomorrow, maybe later this Harvey, see if I still sign off with Max. Alright, thanks guys, bye. go around that donut, and on your way to it, hug that fence line, go across, do it, and then hug the fence line down, to the right, head on your right, head down, across to that, come back to the fence, go across, and then back up and on, back to the fence and down. You see that it's going down a little bit in the set. Yeah, just do the fence from that gate first, and once you get to the corner, you just go straight across to the front, come back, and go. Okay, just about a wrap. Take this out so I can hear myself talk. Got Max, he's going to go down, finish off the rest of the brush cutting off. Been a big day. I've got all this tidied up now, down to its correct height that it should be. Not bad really with what's left, residue wise, grass clippings wise, all up along this fence line. Max done a great job all the way down and across down to the driveway there. And he even went a bit harder up there, down a bit deeper than even I went the other day, which was good. So other than that, I'll show you down the back here how much we got done. And we'll have the house to finish off. I can't remember if it might be in 2 weeks' time. Got another provision on a Friday. So we'll see. Give a wave, Max. God, his earmuffs on. Alright, so I'll show you down here. See if we can get this zoom happening again for you. So see, we obviously Max is going to come through. Whoa. Do all of around the outside, down, little pond area there. Like natural pond, it's not really designed that way, it's just where the water flows. So then just around this, up and around the edge, across, and that'll do. But see if I can get down to that shed, if you can remember what it was. So all of that around that tree stump there, or fallen tree I should say. We're about to do that now, so big improvement. Might leave it there. We'll get a wrap up on this. That'll do it. Put this away. Get a swig of water. Thanks for watching. See you next week what I get for you. Got the video tomorrow too, so don't forget, tune in for that. And talk to you in the morning. Goodbye.